Alright guys, I'm going to make this video specifically for all you boys. But with the tensioner limiter, this is how you put it on. So you take off the tensioner itself. You have to take the pulley off, which when you do, I recommend replacing it. Make sure it's that one. And then with it, you got to take that bolt off. Not too hard. This is the bolt. So when you get it, there's not, like, they have instructions, but like the photos don't really help. So I kind of did some digging and figured it out. So you get the tensioner, you take the limiter right here, you get the deep spot, point it down, and it would just sit there. Make sure this hole is facing parallel with this hole. That way you put it on correctly, and then you can go ahead and slip the bolt through and then bolt it back up. For said socket that you'll need is this one. It's a 12 point, and it's a 10 M10. Make sure it's a 12, or else you will strip and you will break that bolt, and you're not gonna have a fun time. And then with that, this one is a 16 mil. So yeah, just make your life easy. And then also when you do the crank pulley, it's the same one, but use a very powerful impact. My brother-in-law had this one. My 200-pound was not doing it, so this 400-pound did it. But do not over torque it, or else you will fuck them up. Make sure you keep them together. This is said bolt. You got 5 of them. So just wanted to give that to you guys so you know what you're doing. So, and then you don't fuck anything up.